Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my spring tablescape. And this tablescape is part of a collaboration called Spring is in the Air, which is being hosted by Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me and Bree or Bree's Project Book. I have both these ladies' channels linked in the description box. And go over and check out their channel and tell them Mrs Vee sent you. So I use that gray basket weave placemat from the Dollar Tree and the white charger with the pretty bead detail, and I'm also using this lime green Rachel Ray plate. I'm into the black and white, so I just added the green to my decor. And this black, I paired it with this black plate from the Dollar Tree also. And for the napkins, I'm gonna be using this buffalo check napkins I picked up at Hobby Lobby, the 90% after Christmas sale. And this is a succulent napkin ring that I DIY'd. I'll have that video linked in the description box if you're interested in seeing how I created that. So this is my tablescape for spring. And so I just pulled out my milk glass coffee cup that the beautiful Karen Deneen gifted me. And this is some stemware from the Dollar Tree. And then I just used this place setting that I picked up from the Dollar Tree also. And this is my beautiful vase that I DIY'd. I'll have that link in the description box also, with some, I forgot the name of the florals that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Oversized peonies, I think. So that'll be my spring flower. So this is it. I want to go ahead and thank Stephanie and Bree for hosting this challenge. It's always great to refresh your home for the upcoming season. And over to the right is my corner tablescape that I created for my own challenge that I had hosted, which was the Spring Tablescape Decor 2020. This is a centerpiece that I created that I thought would be great for weddings, but I went ahead and added it to my tablescape just to get an idea of which one you like best, the first one or the second one.